today we are going to do a chore that every household has to do, and it's laundry. Okay, so the first thing is that you need a laundry detergent. So I have my Thieves. It is all natural, it's from Young Living, and you can get like 256 loads out of this thing, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you're going to need is a large mason jar. I'm going to be completely honest, I have used some of this already, so it's not a full bottle, but it doesn't really matter. You can use it as is without cutting it. It's just going to be really strong, which is totally fine. But if you want to maximize your dollar, so I think like if you just use it as is, it's like 25 cents a load. But if you want it to be 12 cents a load, you can do this. So mine goes up to about here, like where that mark is. So I'm only going to pour like half. But you're going to, in your mason jar, pour out half the bottle. Yeah, okay, now I'm about halfway there. So I was here. If you guys have your whole bottle, I'd go to like right around this line here. Okay? You pour it into your mason jar. You put your lid on. And you put it away. That's it. You're putting that away. Out of sight, out of mind. Now we're just going to fill this up with water. If you wanted to, like with your detergent, you could just leave it here and then fill the water up later, or you could do it now, but you're just going to keep this for later. Once you have your water in there, you just put your lid back on and shake it, and then you're good to go. I do love it because it gets my clothes super clean, and like I feel like we wear our clothes every day, our sheets, we sleep in them every day, and it can cause reactions with our skin. And like for babies or for us, like it can cause us to break out, it can cause rashes. So I'm really into like this whole chemical-free thing, which you guys already know. Not to mention, it smells so good. Let's go to the laundry room.